Let's move on and talk about the telecom space. With the spectrum auction set to restart from the 1st of October, a very confident telecom secretary, JS Deepak, tells CNBC TV 18 that the base prices will not be revised lower, adding that unsold spectrum is not a worry for the government. He was speaking at the IoT or Internet of Things conference in Bangalore. Listen in.
Spectrum auctions are due to start on the 1st of October, and in this auction we are putting on the table a large variety of spectrum, a large volume of spectrum, as well as the value of the spectrum is a lot. The telecom service providers have a choice. They can pick up spectrum which they need for whatever gaps they need to fill up in their spectrum holdings. And I suppose the key feature of this auction would be that the spectrum scarcity or shortage which operators say has been coming in the way of providing quality of services, that would be addressed and that would become a thing of the past.
Right. In terms of, there's been a lot of talk, sir, about the base reserve price that has been set, especially for spectrums in the 700 and 2100 megahertz bands. A lot of industry watchers are using words from muted participation to failed auctions. How do you look at this? Is the pricing justified, sir?
Pricing has been recommended by TRAI after a detailed consultation, and the government has agreed to that price. As far as 700 megahertz is concerned, it is very high quality spectrum for coverage purposes, which is the requirement of the 4G era, and therefore it's highly priced. But other than 700 megahertz, we have a huge amount of spectrum in the 800, 1800, 2100, also in the 900 and 2500 bands. So there's a huge choice available. In any auction, operators have a choice to pick up what they need, and there would be unsold spectrum in any auction. So I do not know what you mean by failed auctions or thing. This auction would address the spectrum scarcity in India, and if it does that, I think it would be a great success.
There's a view that only 50% of spectrum may get sold in this auction. If that happens, is that a position you're comfortable with?
I mean, it's an open, transparent process. The buyers have a choice, and we don't have any targets for the amount of spectrum we want to sell. If it does not sell now, it will sell later.
Sure.
But the idea is to give them a choice so that there is no crib about shortage of spectrum.
Right. We know that the pricing has already been decided and approved, but is there a remote possibility of downscaling the reserve price from now till the time the spectrum happens?
No. The spectrum auction, the notice inviting application has already been announced. There has been a pre-bid conference. The clarifications have been given. So there's no question of any change in these aspects.
All right, then time to slip into a short break. You come back and we'll focus on a lot more stocks. Stay tuned.